Hey there YouTube, Sandy here. If you're watching this video, then that means you probably like my video tutorials, in which case you'll want to know about the newest one that I have put together and have available for sale in my Etsy shop. It's to make these batik dragons. It's a faux batik technique that I use to create polymer clay dragons. Here's a little video I did a while ago telling you more details about it. Hi there, welcome to my Batik Dragons class. I'm Sandy Huntress and I'm going to be teaching you how to make this dragon with a faux batik look. By the time you're done with this class, your dragon will have the look of batik fabric. There are so many variations you can do on this project. You can wrap your dragon around just about any object you can think of, as long as it can go in the oven to bake along with your polymer clay. Throughout the class, I'll be giving you tips and tricks for how to fit your dragon to your object and also how to make it unique and your own. So if that sounds interesting to you, be sure to head on over to my Etsy shop before Sunday, April 7th, because I have a coupon code there that you can use. It's Batik30, B-A-T-I-K 30 for 30% off this class. It will not be on sale for less than this to the general public ever again. So I hope you enjoy. Happy creating. Bye-bye.